case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1993, a dispute arose between the Oswego County Social Services Commissioner and a mother, dependent on social aid for the upkeep of her children, resulting in the landmark suit, Rose v. Moody. The controversy emerged from the interpretation and application of New York state law and its contradiction with federal legislation, relating to the child support obligation for an impoverished, non-custodial parent. The root of the argument was New York's state law, known as the Family Court Act, that stipulated a minimum $25 per month child support obligation, even in cases where the parent earning is incapable of meeting such an obligation due to extreme financial hardship. This clause was challenged vehemently by the mother, putting the state and federal laws at odds. The lawsuit proceeded to the lower courts, which ascertained the mother's child support charges for her third non-custodial child to be nil, based on her scanty financial situation. However, this decision was met with objections from the Oswego County Social Services Commissioner, who held that the state's Family Court Act should not be nulled by the counteracting federal law, recommending a minimum charge of $25. Contrarily, the Appellate Division, subsequent to the lower courts, endorsed their decision, purporting that the federal law indeed permits an impoverished non-custodial parent to rebut the support award, thus paving the way for a possible $0 contribution. They ruled it would be a grave injustice to levy the obligatory amount on the mother and her other two financially dependent children. Ultimately, the majority court verdict leaned in favor of the indigent mother and upheld the previous rulings. The ruling judged that the mother's annual income of $0 rendered her basic child support obligation as null. The court propagated the reasoning that sticking to New York's state law obligation of $25 a month could potentially downgrade the value of the court's decree, thereby unjustly burdening the poverty-stricken non-custodial parent. Thus, the case served as a crucial precedent in such disputes, marking a clear case of federal law superseding a state one.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.